Presenting Ambrane Stringz 38 wired earphones with mic. It is available in colors green, black, amber orange, brick red, pink and space gray. This headphone comes with the high bass audio quality that gives your ears a premium audio experience. It comes with one button control, enables you to control volume, manage playlist and respond to calls with ease and convenience. The earphones come with the ergo-fit design that sits perfectly in ears and gives comfortable listening experience. It comes with inline mic, makes it convenient to converse loud and clear voice. The box contains earphone, charging cable, extra ear tips and documentation. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.